I'm going to introduce our guest here. Ladies and gentlemen, stepping on the blocks with the precision, the power, and the pure top-end speed. The man that trains the way, Cam McAvoy of the Cam McAvoy Science. He represents Marty's. He's a specialist in the raw velocity and explosive power with lifetime bests of 23.85 in the 50 free and 24.79 in the 50 fly. He is a rising force in the South African sprinting world, bringing the McAvoy-inspired technique and speed dominance to Cape Town. Straight here in the middle lane tonight, Josh Emsley.